remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley. You'll forget the sun in a jealous sky as you walk in fields of gold. So she took her Lord for the gates a while upon the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as the air come down among the fields of gold. Will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? We'll forget the sun in a shallow sky as you lie in fields of gold. I see the west wind move like a lover's soul upon the fields of barley. The feeling body rise when you kiss her mouth among the fields of gold. I never made a promise so lightly, and there I've been sown and I'm broken. But I swear in the days to left where we walk in fields of gold, where we walk in fields of gold. Many years have passed since the summer days among the fields of barley. Still the children run as the sun goes down among the fields of gold. You remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley. You can tell the sun in its shallow sky as you walk in fields of gold, and you walk in fields of gold, and we walk in fields of gold.